Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Today we're going to create this look by Makeupshayla. We're going to follow along with her tutorial and see if we did her look any justice.
Moisture Balm. This is super hydrating. Okay, so whenever my skin is more dehydrated, like right now, I can use it. It's a little bit too moisturizing for me because I have combination skin in the summer, but in the winter it's perfect, and it has a
and I'm going to start with my Strobe cream. Strobe cream is also moisturizing. It's going to clarify your skin and also give you a little glow underneath your foundation. So I'm going to use this
new Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation, and it has SPF 15. So this guy is going to give you medium to full coverage. And I say medium to full coverage because you can always apply it lightly and get kind of like a really nice natural finish.
Alright, and I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Longwear Illuminating Foundation because a lot of times I like foundations that are a little bit more moisturizing for my skin, just to give me moisture throughout the day. So I'm going to do just 2 small pumps of that. And I would probably say this is light and medium coverage. Right, and I would say this foundation is good for anybody that likes dewy skin. I know a lot of us, and so do I sometimes, like a matte foundation, but for the most part I like to be moisturized. So if you don't mind a dewy kind of a natural look, you would like this foundation.
I'm actually going to put this under my eye, all over my eye, and under my cheek. And remember my little trick, you guys, always.
Alright, and I'm going to use my Colourpop concealer. This concealer is formulated to blur lines. It's a matte concealer. She's using the Salon by MAC, so that one's very matte. So I'm just gonna apply this.
And remember my little trick, you guys, always bring in the concealer all the way to the inside of the nose here.
Alright, bring concealer to the inside of the nose. Alright, I'm just going to blend that out. And bring it up to my nose also, like Shayla said. Pretty nice. Goodness. Alright. Alright, I'm going to bring that up to my nose, just like she said. She put a little bit on her eyes also, so I'm going to do that as well. And my forehead. I don't think she did her nose, but I like to highlight the bridge of my nose. Alright, and here's Shayla.
I'm going to contour my face and my eyes, basically like right jaw, with the Bobbi Brown Stick Foundation in number 8. I love using stick foundations to contour because you can get like nice precision.
Okay, and I'm going to use Suede Mocha.
I'm blending out the contour kind of in circular motions just so it looks nice and blended. You could also use a sponge. I kind of go back and forth, like I'll go through periods where I'm using a sponge to blend out my foundation, my contour, and then I'll switch to like a brush for a year. But there's like no wrong way, you know. I love how warm this color is.
What else she doing?
I love how warm. A lot of times I like to put a little bit of...
Suede mocha's pretty warm too.
Or the contour, I should say, in the crease here. Just so it looks like a natural depth without putting shadow on.
Okay, and she just applied some of that in her crease. So I'm going to do the same.
Blending brush, or you can use a fluffy crease brush.
Here.
Looks like
Off the MAC 109. And blowing her out. Just like she did. I think I'm going to add a little bit more. Okay, and we'll blend that out.
powder on.
I'm going to put powder on too.
So this is the Bobbi Brown Golden Orange Sheer Press Powder. This is like one of my favorite setting powders because it does have that really...
And I'm going to use my fabric powder. I love how that looks under my eyes. I feel like there is like a smoothing effect, like my under eye highlight. It's set really nice. I love how smooth it looks when I use the Packer Store powder. I hope they bring it back out because I'm getting low on the one I have. I actually split mine between my kit, which is at my office, and then my little stash here at home. So I hope they bring it back because I really want to buy some more. Shayla doesn't bake, so I'm just gonna press that in under my eye.
I'm not gonna bake. I just haven't been baking lately, you guys.
Sorry, guys. And on my chin here.
I'm gonna fill in my brows with the Bobbi Brown Mahogany Brow Powder Duo, which you guys know I use this all the time. This is like my go-to brow powder. I like using powders because
and I agree with that. I love the powder also. I do use a gel sometimes, but I use this a lot. You can see I've almost hit pan in that. So you have two brown colors, a darker one, and then you have a lighter color to highlight underneath your brow if you want to. And you can also use these for eyeshadows. I tell people that all the time. So I'm gonna go on with this and fill in my brows.
To get that fresh face look, I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown Moon Glow, which is one of my favorite highlighters.
Alright, for me, I'm going to use the color. I like to use the butt of my beauty blender. I like to pinch it here. Smile for the camera. And just pounce it right on the highest peak of my cheek. And the residue I'll just pounce on my forehead just for a little glow. Cupid's glow.
And I'm basically going to use this all over my face. My eyes, center of my eyes, my nose, my cheeks, my lip, everywhere. Everywhere. Put on the center of my lid, all the way up to my brow bone. Almost like a little highlight down the center.
On my lid. All the way up to my brow bone. I love how it gives that That moon glow effect. Love that. I remember when she had posted this look on Instagram, on her Instagram story, and I was like, oh my gosh, I love it. I tried the look like the next day I wore it to work, so I knew when I saw that challenge going around here on YouTube, I knew that I wanted to do this look. So pretty. Push that in.
Almost like a little highlight down the center. You guys see that? See how it's like when you blink, it's almost like a highlight on the eye.
Yes, I love it.
That's it for the eyes, you guys. Can you believe that? That's all I'm doing.
That's all we're doing. I love it.
Me in 2008. Alright, I'm lining my eyes with the L'Oreal Super Slim Liquid Eyeliner. I like it because you can get like a nice thin line.
My brush black by MAC. Same thing. It's great for really any look you're going for.
Anytime you put this highlight down the center, I feel like, well, and you want it to look kind of natural, I feel like you have to have a thin line. If it's too thick, it's just going to take away from that really pretty highlight. And it's like you're not going to have a fresh look, so.
Alright, well, we're going for the fresh look, so thin line it is.
Alright, I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown Eye Opening Mascara. Bloom.
I'm going to use MAC's Pretty and Extreme Mascara. Bloom, bloom. My favorite mascara from MAC, so. Apply that. Look at those lashes. Those are mine. I love this mascara. I was a hot and naughty girl before this mascara came out. Once this one came out, I was like, hot and naughty who? Anyway, get you some. Hush. Sorry, I got Cujo over here. Don't mess with her.
Alright, these are the Huda Beauty Samantha lashes, which are just wispy, more on the natural side. Make me happy.
My happy lashes are the Salon Perfect 615. I could wear these every day. Pretty nice. These are my favorite.
I'm gonna apply apricot blush with my angled brush. It's like a tongue twister grip on my cheek.
And I'm going to use Breath of Plum by MAC.
There's something about pink or like peachy blush that really makes the face look super fresh, especially when your eyes and neutral, our lips aren't going to be neutral. Even if your lips are neutral, there's just something about like pink or peach that just really kind of brightens up the face. And I always start kind of on the outside of the cheek and go back and forth in a downward motion so my cheeks look snatched.
Snatched.
One more time. Snatched. Alright, I'm going to finish off the look with MAC Mahogany Lip Liner and Lilac Lipstick from Bobbi Brown.
Alright, and I'm going to use Ms.Diva MAC lip liner, and because I don't have that color, I actually don't have anything close to that color, so I'm going to mix two MAC colors. I'm going to take Stone and Girl About Town and try to mix these to get the color that she has, or something close to it, so I'm going to use these. Stone. And Girl About Town. I think that's pretty close to what she has.
That's nice.
And gloss, oh goodness, I'm not a gloss girl at all. I much prefer lipstick because it stays on longer. So let me see what I can find. I'm just going to use this discontinued gloss since it's the only thing I have. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that on. And blend that in. But I think the color is close to what she has. So let's see what
I know it looks like I don't have any hair, but look, there it is. It's there. Look at there.
Same for me.
It's there.
I have some hair. I also have gray. That's why I have this one. So I can't do that one. So I agree with her that the look is very fresh. It's clean. Everyday look. I love the moon glow in the center of the eye. It's just something quick and easy. You can probably do this face like in 20 minutes. So it's definitely something I will continue to wear.
Looks just refreshing.
It is.
Boom. Boom. There you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think about this look in the comments.
And same for me. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think about this look and if you will try it. And remember guys, the best makeup you can wear is
Don't forget
confidence.
to subscribe to
See
my
you next
channel.
time.
Last
Bye.
but not least, strut and slay.